In this video, we'll take a look at questions 6, 7, and 8 on our homework on spheres and similar solids. So let's take a look. Find the radius of the sphere with the given volume V. Round your answer to the 100th place. So first we need our formula for a volume of a sphere. Volume is found by taking 4/3 pi r cubed. We already know our volume is 64. So we're going to plug that in. And we're looking for our radius. The first thing I'm going to do is multiply by the reciprocal, 3/4, to get rid of my fractional coefficient. When you go ahead and multiply 64 by 3/4, you'll get 48. And then we have pi r cubed. I'm going to divide by pi on both sides. So my pi's cancel out here. And you can see you've got 48 pi equals r cubed. The next thing we're going to do is take the cube root. On my calculator, I would be typing in 48 pi. In Desmos, you can just type in pi and it'll automatically work. And I'm going to put parentheses around that because I want to raise it to the 1/3 power. And that should give me my answer. When I plug this in, I should get 2.48 if it's rounded to the nearest 100th inches. We'll take a look at our next one. Number 7 is written in terms of pi, so that's okay. We know our volume is 150 pi. That's equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. Just like before, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by 3/4. I'm doing it in multi-steps. You can do it all in one if you'd like. I know that 150 times 3 and then divided by 4 is going to give me a decimal. So I'm just going to leave it as 3 times 150, which gives me 450 pi divided by 4 equals pi r cubed. Then I'm going to divide everywhere by pi. I'm just going to put this pi in the bottom here. So my pi's cancel out. So I've got 450 over 4 is equal to r cubed. And again, I'm going to take the cube root of this and work it into my calculator. So I'm going to use my parentheses and do 450 divided by 4 in parentheses. I don't want to round anything, I just want to leave it and then raise it to the 1/3 power. You'll find your radius will come out to 4.83 when rounded to the nearest 100th, and this would be centimeters. We'll take a look at the last one as well. Same process as number 6, number 7. We have our volume at 152 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. I'm going to multiply it by the reciprocal, 3/4. And that way my reciprocals cancel each other out. And again, I'm doing this in multi-step just so you can see the full process. I'm going to multiply 152 by 3/4. And this time it does come out to a nice whole number. So when I do 152 times 3/4, I get 114 equals pi r. Oh, did you see that? I wrote squared. I'm so used to writing squared. It's actually r cubed for volume. Divide by pi everywhere. My pi's cancel out. So I have 114 pi equals r cubed. So I'm going to take the cube root of both sides. And I'm also going to put this right into my calculator. I'll have 114 divided by pi. Put that in parentheses so I remember to raise the whole thing up to the 1/3 power. And we should get a radius of 3.31, and this would be meter.